Step-by-step implementation guide to ISO 9001. ISO 9001 is an international standard for a quality management system, QMS.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
This standard has the potential to transform any organization into one that offers products and services that continuously meet customer and regulatory requirements. On the other hand, ISO 9001 certification comes with a complete process that requires immense planning and implementation. Hence, this guideline will help you put the ISO 9001 standard into practice by following a step-by-step approach to making your organization a robust QMS. Understanding ISO 9001. ISO 9000 provides an overview of quality management principles, while ISO 9001 details the specific requirements for achieving compliance. The fundamental principles are:
customer focus satisfies the requirements and expectations of customers. Leadership, develop leadership and commitment at all levels. People engagement, engage and empower employees. Process approach, the activities should be managed as processes. Betterment, continuously improving performance. Decision making, data-based decisions that are evidence. Relationship management, management of the relationships with interested parties. Step-by-step ISO 9001 implementation. Follow these steps to successfully implement ISO 9001 in your organization. Step 1. Obtain senior management support. Getting top management support and commitment is the first and most important stage. Explain to them what the benefits of ISO 9001 are: better efficiency at a lesser cost, and customer satisfaction. Get their agreement to provide whatever resources are needed for its implementation. Step 2. Understand the ISO 9001 requirements. An understanding of ISO 9001 and ISO 9000 standards is essential for successful implementation. These principles include customer focus, leadership, stakeholder engagement, management style, development, evidence-based decision-making, and relationship management. Step 3. Gap analysis. Compare what you do against the requirements of ISO 9001 and conduct a gap analysis. Secondly, identify areas for improvement in your organization. It is in the planning process of this exercise that you develop an action plan with defined roles and responsibilities to address these gaps. Step 4. Quality Management System (QMS) implementation. Implement a structured approach for establishing your QMS. This shall include quality manual, document your quality policy and quality objectives, describe the overall structure of your QMS. Procedures, define and document processes and controls. Work instructions, provide detailed guidelines on the performance of tasks. Forms and records, document the tracking of the Quality Management System (QMS). Step 5. Quality Management System implementation. Implement the QMS by documenting policies, procedures, and objectives. This step includes operational planning and control. Ensure that processes are planned and under control. Requirements determination. Establish what the services or products will entail. Design and development. Products and services are designed and developed to meet needs. Follow-up delivery. Management of service delivery and outsourcing. Control of non-conforming outputs. Address products and services that do not meet requirements. Step 6. Monitor and measure performance. So check that your quality management system (QMS) is effective by establishing your metrics and KPIs. Monitor regularly for measurements on process performance. Measure process performance. Product and service quality. Ensure that outputs fulfill consumer and regulatory standards. Internal audits. Conduct audits to determine areas for improvement. Step 7. Seek certification. After operating the Quality Management System (QMS) for several months, initiate the certification process. The auditor will check your QMS for conformance to the requirements in ISO 9001. You will obtain ISO 9001 certification if your company satisfies the standards and the registration audit is successful. Step 8. Continual improvement of QMS. ISO 9001 promotes continual improvement. Use the monitoring and measuring findings to identify areas for improvement. Implement corrective and preventative measures to resolve current issues and improve the efficacy of the QMS. Challenges and solutions. Implementation of ISO 9001 can be difficult. Typical challenges in the implementation process include resistance to change. Engage with employees and show the benefits of implementing ISO 9001. Inadequate management commitment. Secure the ongoing commitment and involvement of senior management. This impinges on limited resources. Allocate enough time for training, documentation, and implementation. Inadequate awareness and understanding. Provide detailed appropriation, training, and awareness about requirements under ISO 9001. Inadequate documentation. Develop clear, concise documentation to support Quality Management System (QMS) processes. Training and certification. Training is important in implementing ISO 9001. Professional training courses provide an enhancement of skills and expertise for your team. The following are courses that may be considered: ISO 9001 Foundation, extensive knowledge of ISO 9001. ISO 9001 Lead Implementer, skill in implementing and managing a QMS. ISO 9001 Lead Auditor, certification to perform and lead audits of QMS.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.